Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna change this bulb. This is the brake bulb right here, and first you need a flathead and you're gonna need a screwdriver, because basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna screw this one. You need a flathead to pull down that one as well. This is a 2017 there we go. This is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. So you need a screwdriver to unscrew. I can't remember the numbers, but I'm gonna leave it in the description for the bulb, and I'm gonna also do both sides as well. There we go. Step on the brake, no brake light. This whole assembly should come forward. Feel like it's released. It's supposed to pull. Alright, so you just pull it forward. It's basically pushed into this clip right here. So you just pull it backwards. Just pull backwards. This is the bulb right here. You twist it. You go left, which is that way. It was locked. So you twist it left and just pull it out. This right here is what blown. So wait a minute. Yeah, it is. Okay. This looks like the turn signal one. I'm gonna check this one and see as well. I still could check it regardless. Okay. This one look more burnt. Now you guys probably can't even see it. It look darker. But we're gonna switch on. Alright, to get it out, all you gotta do is push down. You can see it, push down and twist and then pull out. Easy and simple. This right here is the part number 2357, long life. You can get this at Walmart for like $4 and change. Alright, we're gonna reinstall it. Oh no, don't fall. Do not fall. Don't fall. Alright. Let me kind of wipe it off, from all the oil, from my fingerprints. Use a glove, guys. Don't do what I do. Use the gloves. Alright, so basically you just push it in. I'm only having a hard time because I'm trying to do a demonstration. You push in and then twist, guys. So you push in and just twist it so you can lock in. Push it in and then twist it that way to lock it in. Alright guys, so it wasn't for this one, it was actually this one right here on the right side. This one is a different it's a different one. So I'm gonna put back in. I'm gonna put back this yellow one back in because it's actually this one, guys. All right, so as I said, you just push it down and just twist. So once you push, you twist it, and it's locked in just like that. Alright, so it's this one. Alright, step on it again. Perfect. Alright, so this is the culprit right here. Alright, thank you. You could go back upstairs. Alright, so it's pretty easy to just lock back into place. As you can see, the arrow will show you to go that way, twist that way to lock it back into place. So no big deal. Going like that and just twist, and it's locked back into place. And do the same with this one. Just gotta find where it's sitting properly, sit in the right place, and just twist it. It's kind of complicated here holding the camera and try to do it. And right now it's nighttime as well, so you just sit it back in. Alright, here it is to put it back in. As I said, you gotta line it up right here, push it back up in here, got everything into place. Pretty easy and simple. It's just that. And also you just gotta line up these tubes to push into there. So here we go. There we go. That easy and that simple. Now get the screws, screw it back in, make sure you don't strip it. Screws right here, the screwdriver. One side, that's one side in. Do the same. Second one. Alright guys, this is the same on this side. Use a flathead. As you can see, right there, take the flathead and just try to pry it open. Fuse light. Yeah.
Okay.
That easy and simple. Hold it. I need to take off the light so when she step on the brake, we'll see. Yep, there we go. It's illuminated. Yep. Yeah, it's good. Step on it again. Yep. Perfect. That one lit up too. All right, we got it. All right, back to this. You just do it like so. Make sure it's lined up. Yeah. Just like that. And we put back in the screws. All right. Do the top one first. Screw it in like this. And close it back in. You just press down. And then the one at the bottom. Put it like that. Twist it in. Piece of cake. Just like so. Press it down a little bit. And done. Once again, this is the model. This is the part number 2357. Alright guys, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. I appreciate the love and support. And guys, if you want to support me, you could donate any amount of money on my PayPal is in the description. The link is in the description that you could click on there and donate it. Donate whatever amount of money. I really appreciate it. Help me with equipment. Let my quality get better. I appreciate the love and the support. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Hope this video helps. This is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe, and that's how you basically replace the tail light or the brake light. Both sides. The first side was the passenger side, and the second side was the driver side. And it's pretty easy. All you need is a flathead, a screwdriver, and the bulb. And I can't remember what's the numbers for the part number. You could get that bulb at Walmart. It's very inexpensive, real cheap. It's like $4 and change. Tops, you're probably going to spend like $5, $5. Can't go wrong. But thank you guys. I appreciate the love and support. Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have any questions. It's pretty easy and simple to do. I appreciate you guys. Peace. Thanks for watching.